Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to read the clock in Maltese. I'm using this clock. I used to use it at school when I worked as a lessee with the students that I supported. I made it myself, and now I'm going to use it to teach you the clock in Maltese. First, I'm going to teach you the hours. And then I will teach you the others that you need to learn. But first, we're going to start with the hours. We're going to start with midnight, from midnight. Midnight, we say in Maltese, نص الليل. نص الليل. الساعة. الساعة. الساعتين. الساعتين. التلاتة. التلاتة. الأربع. الأربع. الخمسة. الخمسة. الستة. الستة. السبع. السبع. الثمانية. الثمانية. التسع. التسع. العشرة. العشرة. الحداش. الحداش. Now we arrived at midday, and for midday we say نفسنار. نفسنار. Now the hours are ready. I told you how we say the others. Now, for example, it's 12, quarter to 12, like this. We say il quarta. Il quarta. النفسية. النفسية. We use il quarta and il nofsia only when the small one is on the 12. So when it's on the 6, it's in nofsia. When it is on the 3, we say il quarta. Il quarta. Now, for example, the hour hand is on the 10. The hour hand is on the 10. So we're going to say l'ashra. L'ashra. On this one, when it's on the 12, we say l'ashra. L'ashra. When it's on the 1, l'ashra u khamsa. L'ashra u khamsa. Khamsa, because 5 minutes passed from 10. So, u khamsa. If you go to my videos for the numbers, you will see that 5 in Maltese it's khamsa. So, l'ashra u khamsa. L'ashra u ashra. L'ashra u ashra. L'ashra u quart. L'ashra u quart. L'ashra u oshrin. L'ashra u oshrin. Oshrin is 20 in Maltese. L'ashra u nofs neqsin ħamsa. L'ashra u nofs neqsin ħamsa. U nofs because we're half, so l'ashra u nofs, the half of the clock. Neqsin ħamsa, but still there are 5 minutes to 30 to have to half of 10:30. There's still remaining 5 minutes. So l-10 u nofs, that is half, neqsin 5. Because the 5 minutes, there still are 5 minutes to 10:30. l-10 u nofs, because it's on the half here. It's already past half of the hour. Half of the hour have already passed. So l-10 u nofs. l-10 u nofs. l-10 u nofs u 5. l-10 u nofs u 5. Because l-10 u nofs, because half of the hour u nofs till here, because half of the hour is already done. U 5 and 5 minutes with u nofs, with half of the hour. So l-10 u nofs, that is half of the hour, u 5 plus 5 minutes. So l-10 u nofs u 5. Il-11 neqsin 20. Il-11 neqsin 20. Now we pass to 11 because it's going on the 11. So il-11, that is 11, il-11, and 20 minutes remaining. So the clock will be 11 o'clock. So il-11 neqsin 20. Il-11 neqsin kwart. Il-11 neqsin kwart. Because il-11 is 11 and there is a quarter of an hour so the clock will be 11 o'clock. So il-11 neqsin kwart. Il-11 neqsin kwart. Il-11 neqsin 10. Il-11 neqsin 10 because there are 10 minutes to 11. So il-11 neqsin 10. Il-11 neqsin 5. Il-11 neqsin 5. 5 minutes to 11. So il-11 neqsin 5. Il-11. Il-11. As you have seen, that is how we say the clock in Maltese. Now, if the small one is on the 9, we do the same. Id-disa, instead of 10, l-10, we say id-disa. Id-disa u 5. Id-disa u 10. Id-disa u kwart. Id-disa u 20. Id-disa u nofs neqsin 5. Id-disa u nofs. Id-disa u nofs u 5. l-10 neqsin 20. l-10 neqsin kwart. l-10, this one has to stay a bit there. l-10 neqsin 10. l-10 neqsin 5. U l-10. Always repeating the same. On each hour is the same. You say the hour, for example, is-sija, sija u 5, is-sija u 10. Is-satejn u 5, satejn u 10. It-tlieta u 5, tlieta u 10. And that is how we say the clock in Maltese.